Most real estate investors face the nearly impossible task of competing for the few quality deals in their market against tens, if not hundreds of deep-pocketed, well-connected, and established investors already there. To survive, new and undercapitalized investors are forced to work many fruitless hours blindly mailing, calling, driving, and knocking on random doors to find whatever scraps may be left over. After all this effort, in the rare instance a good deal is finally secured, investors are typically rewarded by a time clock on escrow that is subjected to the whims of an unprofessional, hard money lender, or a race to close another buyer. On the other hand, those who do have access to funds typically underestimate risk and expenses, overpaying for assets and eventually incurring unexpected financial loss. All the while, the few real estate brokers and agents who even attempt to work with investor clients generally serve as little more than conduits to the MLS, limited by their general lack of investing knowledge. This investing culture is unique to real estate, and it's not how the professional world of investing works. There's a better way, and the financial firms of Wall Street, such as hedge funds and investment banks, capitalize on it every day. As a financial firm who deals in residential real estate as its primary asset class, we at Adagio Group have developed a program to empower emerging real estate investors and their agents to break through the established competition and daunting hurdles. We have distilled the insights of Wall Street into one concise package: the Accredited Investment Professional, or AIP, course and designation. It includes everything one needs to become a fund manager. No upselling, events, boot camps, or any other shady sales tactics. The AIP course covers risk analysis, deal structuring, and investment fund creation. Upon successfully completing the course, AIP designees are afforded the financial backing of Adagio Group, which includes a $5 million proof of funds letter. This program takes students from fighting for a few $1,000s to making potentially millions with their real estate investment business by bringing the exclusive expertise and professionalism of Wall Street to their main street. We look forward to helping you achieve the financial strength of Wall Street.